Welcome back. We have some special guests joining us this morning from Pittsburgh High School. We have a Culinary Dragon student joining us this morning, Katrina, and Heather here, who's the project, one of the co-sponsors for a trip that's going to be taking a group of kids to Italy next summer from Pittsburgh High School. So excited to have you both here. I know you guys have been working along, Chef Anthony, and we have something really special that we're planning to make for you later this morning. But first, I wanted to talk about what you're raising money for and an easy way that people can help out this weekend. So first of all, you guys are going to Italy. Yes. How exciting is this?
It's really exciting.
So you're a freshman this year, just joining the process for this trip. What made you decide to join in and go raise money for Italy, basically?
Well, I've always had like a love for cooking, and I joined Culinary Club, and just yeah, from there on.
It's awesome.
Just took off.
And when you think of Italy, you think of the foods, and like everything they make over there, so that'll be exciting. Heather, what's your role specifically in organizing this trip?
I'm the Culinary Club co-sponsor. I help along with Chef Anthony to get things coordinated along fundraiser for this Saturday that we're doing at Panda Express. Get the students involved and get everybody volunteer to sign up and get ready for our trip.
Okay. Tell me a little bit more about when you guys are going on the trip and what's planned with it.
We're going on a trip in 2024 this summer. It's between July and June, I believe. And yeah.
It's not cheap though.
No, it's around $4,000 per person, plus more, I think. Yeah, there's gonna be a bunch of like looking at architecture and food and just having a whole bunch of fun.
Yeah, a wonderful experience for sure.
Absolutely.
So summer of 2024. So you have a little bit of time, but there's an easy way that everyone can help kickstart the fundraising this weekend. Tell me about what's going on at Panda Express.
So this Saturday, during all hours of operation, 10:30 a.m. to 9:30 p.m., you can come and students will hand you a card for you to order the drive-through, or you may go inside. Just tell them that you're here to support the PHS Culinary Dragons. There's also going to be an app that they can go on the Panda Express and enter the code for it. And that will be also a way, if they want to just do online ordering, to go through Panda Express with their code.
Mm-hmm. And if you do the online ordering, you just pick it up through the drive-thru?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so that works pretty easy. But you don't have to use the app. You can just use the card.
Yes, you can use the card. Just tell them I'm here to support the PHS Culinary Dragons, and you can also take the card inside and hand it to them. That way they know. And 50% of the profit will go towards our fundraising for our Italy trip for next summer.
That's a huge amount. 50%. That's
yes.
Awesome. Yeah. Well, we know Panda Express is new to the Pittsburgh area, and it's pretty popular too. So hopefully, if you haven't tried it out, this Saturday would be the perfect opportunity to do so.
Absolutely.
All right. Anything else you guys want to add about the trip?
It's going to be a lot of fun, a lot of culture, and a lot of food to tour.
So, as I understand, you're going to stick around, Trina, to help out making some chicken stir fry up in our 7 o'clock hour, right?
Yep.
Excited about that.
Yeah.
Is this something that you guys have been making in your culinary club?
Yeah, we made it last night at club, and it was really good.
Okay, I'm excited to try it out. All right, so stick around. Coming up on the KOA Morning News on Fox 14, we're going to be making chicken stir fry with Chef Anthony. And go out to Panda Express this Saturday and support your local students, sending them off to Italy. We'll be right back.